Hey guys, so this is a Sunday. Madhu is back from Tangi. He went for the peripheral posting. He's back because it's a Sunday. So I'm going for lunch in my mess, in our mess, that is DH2. So it's raining heavily, that's why the camera angle is kind of weird. I'm trying to protect the camera from the rain. So let's see what we have for lunch. What will we have for lunch today? It's a Sunday, so there won't be chicken for lunch, that I know. It will be most probably be egg. So if egg is there, then they should give us special non-veg, but I don't know whether it will be there because it's a Sunday. Anyway, let's go see what is there.
I got that also on video.
So Unacademy has launched a bumper offer. You can get everything that you need to prepare for NEET UG for just 239 rupees. By using the code CIDAIIMS, I am putting the links down in the description. By using this 239 rupees, you get access to all the videos that has been uploaded on Academy on NEET UG, all the question banks, all the notes, all the PDFs, everything you can get access to for just 239 rupees. You get subscription for 45 days and you should be subscribing before 30th of this month. If you are a NEET 22 aspirant, then you can use this opportunity to revise on the topics that you are weak at and do some more questions in those topics so that you spearhead yourself forward in the competition. If you are a NEET 2023 or 2024 aspirant, then you can use this opportunity to get a demo of what Unacademy has to offer. And if you find it good, then you can subscribe for yourself in the future. So don't miss this insane opportunity. Subscribe to Unacademy using the code CIDAIIMS, and there will be links down in the description to make it easier for you guys. So that's all for now. Now carry on with the vlog.
Hey Arya, where are you posted? Oh, that's where the scrubs are. You wear the scrubs outside and then you go in with these scrubs.
One egg, one veg. നന്നായിട്ടുണ്ടോ കേട്ടോ എന്താ മൈക്ക്
Can you? Yes, you can. Yeah, okay, so we have egg curry for non-veg and veg we have kadhi with vada. What is kadhi with vada? Not good. Okay, anyway, I'm also going to have veg.
Veg, I'm having non-veg.
Egg doesn't look very promising.
Protein, bro. Trust me, curry is not good.
Kadhi is not good. What is kadhi?
It's just like that corn flour, not corn flour. You'll see, you'll know, bro. It's soft. It's. I'm a vegetarian, but I find it really hard to define. Though it's something not good with it.
You are eating rice also?
I've lost a bit of weight.
Yes. What about the six pack now?
December.
Oh, this is the.
Yeah. Non-veg. Egg.
Oh, you are going to have it non-veg.
Yeah. Because this is not good.
I find it
Good, you
good.
take it.
Oh, no, it looks good.
Okay, guys. Thank you. I'm going up. There's nobody here, no, and all our batchmates are up.
So in this DH, there are two floors, ground floor and first floor. You can either sit in ground floor or you can sit in first floor. So we are going to go up to first floor and sit. So the thing with our mess is you can get unlimited rice and roti, but the curry is limited. So you can finish this rice and go ask for more rice, they will give more rice. So that's how it is. Now let's eat the food.
Yes, not we are.
That's good. It's better than the veg, huh?
Trust me, it's better than the veg. No one took the veg. Yeah, I took the veg. Did you take the veg? How is it? It's good.
We didn't eat.
So both veg and non-veg are good, they are saying. Let's try for ourselves. I will eat the veg today. I usually take non-veg, but today egg was not very promising, so I took veg. Let's see how it is. ആൾക്കാരൊക്കെ നോക്കണല്ലേ അല്ല it's not that good. It's not that good. The veg is not that good.
What's the tour now?
What's the food?
Food was okay.
Okay. What do you have? Veg or non-veg?
Veg.
It was not
Personal
good.
reasons.
It was not good.
Okay, it was okay.
Okay.